Hey everyone! Managing your finances is easier with the Capital One mobile banking app, which allows you to check balances, transfer money, make payments, and track transactions, all from your smartphone. So follow these steps to download and set up the app properly. So to start, open the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users on your smartphone. And in the search bar, type Capital One Mobile and look for the official app developed by Capital One Services LLC. Verify the app by checking the reviews and ratings, and once confirmed, tap download or install and wait for the installation to complete. Now once the app is installed, open it and select sign in if you already have a Capital One online account. Enter your username and password, and if prompted, complete the two-factor authentication by entering the security code sent to your phone or email. Now if you are a new user, tap Enroll or Sign Up, then follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. You may need to enter details such as your Capital One credit card, checking account, or loan information for verification. After setting up your username and password, agree to the terms and conditions and tap Submit. Next, to keep your account secure, the app will prompt you to enable security features. Now you can set up Face ID, fingerprint unlock, or a PIN for quick and secure access. It is also recommended to enable two-factor authentication, which sends alerts when there is a login attempt. Now additionally, you may choose to turn on push notifications to receive real-time account updates and alerts. Now that your setup is complete, you can start using the app to manage your finances efficiently. Check your account balance, make payments, transfer funds, and set up bill reminders to stay on top of your financial obligations. Now, if you encounter any issues, visit the help and support section within the app or contact Capital One customer service for assistance. Now, by following these steps, you will have the Capital One mobile banking app fully set up and ready to use. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.